What's going on, everyone? So if you don't know, if you haven't figured out by my videos, I now live in Phoenix, Arizona. So I wanted to check out what the Capitol building looks like, and it's down here, and this is a Class G unrestricted airspace, and I'm down here with my beautiful wife Lena. And yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. I will say I had to kind of find a clearing in the homeless people to be able to get a little spot where I felt comfortable enough flying, and there was some drama, but there seems to be a calm in the storm, so I'm gonna take advantage of it and get up in the air. I think you guys are gonna like it. We planned out a really cool flight path, so I can pretty much see everything, and yeah, it's gonna look awesome.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look inside, she guides me with a sign and light me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. On. Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. We still get over it. Cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and light to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, guys, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Well, that was a great flight, and I had a lot of fun showing you guys the Capitol and checking it out myself. I guess it was my first desert, big city, little city flying video, and it's really not what I even intended to make. I set out to make a video showing what it would be like to vlog with the DJI Mavic 2, like to actually hold it in your hand and do all of the B-roll, to aim it at yourself and do all of your A-roll, and to do the drone shots. I think it's a camera you could do everything with, but I definitely discovered a bunch of limitations. Obviously, the first thing you run into is battery, so it requires a lot of battery to acquire all three of those shots, so you would need some time to charge, be really planned out, or have more batteries. The second issue is it's really difficult to get audio. If you have a Mavic, a lot of people want audio, and one thing I'll tell you is you can't get audio from the Mavic, even though some cheaper drones do that, and I think it's actually kind of cool to hear the engine noise and lightly hear things around it, but it pulls audio from your phone. So wherever your phone is, that's the audio you get. And it does a really weird thing where it basically caches it with like the low quality footage. So you have to post-production put it all together. You have to take your 4K footage and then save the video to your phone and then save it to your computer and pull the audio off of it, and it's a bit of a process, but I do think that it's possible and realistic to use just the Mavic 2 to vlog. I think it's just going to add extra steps for you, and if maybe you mixed your phone or something else into it, it would definitely help a lot. But these are the kind of shots you can expect with the Mavic 2, and this is definitely coming from experience. Flying above the Capitol was pretty tricky, but I could see everything. We have the sensors. It'd be a little scary doing that without the sensors. But yeah, thank you all for tuning in. I hope everyone got something out of this video. This was just a nice fun flight. If you want to cruise with me more, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to learn something, go ahead and subscribe. Either way, we're flying drones. Everyone fly safe, and until next time, peace.